Hi guys, welcome to my new improvement for tooling improvement. So for this time, I'm going to organize these. This is where I work. So these are the cables that I have. They're always disorganized. And I have something, I'm always playing with my feet and I keep pulling the cables every time I do that. And when I do it, I always pull these and unplug my second screen. So I'm going to fix that because it really bothers me all the time. So, yep, let's do it. Okay, it looks better, organized. I fixed what it bugs me because it looks way better, and now I can also play with my feet under my desk. So, thank you for watching.